We're gonna be fishing over here at this beautiful Hyatt Regency. Oh, we're gonna be fishing. We're not gonna fish it.
We're gonna try and hand fish some milkfish out of a pond from this hotel, as you can see, Hyatt Regency in Saipan. And the fish in the pond are pretty nice. They're pretty big. Yeah, they are. Leave me alone, Carter.
Okay, we got tilapia, they got mollies, they got milkfish.
Mollies? What the hell is molly?
The little fucker.
The little fish.
Yeah. So let's get to it, guys.
Hell yeah.
Hydration.
I said in my phone. What? I said on my phone, see you at the pond.
Oh. What?
Guys, I already filmed.
No, we're filming to the pond. The big pond. You gonna go check out the big milkfish first?
This is how all popular YouTubers started.
Let's go ask for bread first. Let's go ask for bread.
Okay. We're gonna go ask for bread now.
We're gonna go ask for bread. And it's gonna be lit. We're gonna feed the big milkfish. And
little do they know, we're gonna catch them. Alright, we're about to get the bread. Oh yeah, we got the bread. Let's go fish.
Let's go feed the milkfish with just that bread.
Yeah.
Break it apart. Just break it between us three.
No, that looks good.
Oh, we should eat that.
I don't want to eat this. Look at that. Has like a little
Ooh,
custard
but
in the middle.
it's like old. Can I have it?
Oh yeah. How burning
Split it
is
in between us.
Ooh.
Just split it between
Bro,
us.
this thing's hard as a rock. Feel it.
Yeah, that's why it's old bread, bro.
Dang, that's so hard.
Here, watch. I'm gonna try and bang this against that thing.
No.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm filming.
Here, watch this. Look at this bread, right?
Mega crunch. Look, all that big milkfish.
Look at that.
See one right there.
Damn.
Okay, go feed that. Feeding frenzy right now.
Alright. See all those little guys?
Look at that big milkfish
Here.
over there.
Watch that.
Big milkfish. Big
Ooh.
milkfish.
Come on.
Look at all these big milkfish, man.
They look like sharks.
Yeah. Do you think? I think my rod could catch one of these guys.
Yeah, that'd be fun to catch it.
Yeah. What if these are the fish that we have to eat when we go here? Imagine.
That'd be kind of cool.
Yeah, they should do like a catch and cook thing where like you catch it and then you give it to the
Oh,
chef
whoa.
in the kitchen, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. But they actually kind of look like sharks, though. What if they kept a shark in here?
Should I go down and grab them all?
No, let's go to the other place. Go to the other place.
I'm just gonna grab them all.
Let's show the fans what.
Touch the milkfish. Tuck the milkfish. Wait, hold up. Hold on, Connell.
Alright guys, I came prepared. And I brought an extra shirt. And I'm gonna try and grab the tail of the milkfish. Alright, here I go.
I'll throw a big piece down there.
Just try and catch a small one.
Here you go.
Oh, so close. You see that, guys?
Yeah. Max, what if you ruined that shirt? Oh, I'm gonna throw another piece.
Yeah, throw another piece.
Here, let's use this bread.
Here.
Oh, there.
I already got it. Oh, damn, there's a dead one.
What? Where?
There's a dead one right there. That's tilapia there. There's tilapia.
Cat, get it. You guys are weird.
I can't get it. It's like underneath the rock. That thing is huge. Oh, I'm getting it out.
Another piece? What if you fall in the water, Max? Oh, nice. Grab it.
No. That's nasty, bro. Yeah.
Found a dead fish, yo. Oh, you caught some.
Alright. Alright, I'm gonna come up.
Oh, what the heck? It's eating the tilapia.
Yeah.
Max, you should have grabbed it.
That's too big.
Should have grabbed it. Or like stick your hand in there with the bread.
Yeah, make it bite your fingers off. Bro, don't do that. They got teeth. They actually do.
Oh, that one's big.
I don't want to catch the too big one. This one's really hard.
They're not even going for it.
Just,
Oh, there, that one.
That one. Just grab it.
Oh.
Hey, Max, let's go try somewhere else. Let's go try somewhere else. Let's go try it somewhere else, Max. Okay. Put in another piece of bread. Chuck in another piece.
Hard at.
Oh, there.
The hard one. Oh no, it's already
Right there.
Oh, there.
Oh,
Max,
it
Max.
took it. It just took it.
Max.
Oh, you gotta keep your eye on the.
Okay, chuck in another piece right next to Max. Oh, that's a good
That
one.
was perfect.
I'll let the lifeguard sees you, man. Or like,
Oh my god, I
Dude.
had it.
what? You touched it.
Still grab it.
I don't understand.
Just grab it with your hand. Oh, that one. That was nice. That's a nice size. Nice one.
Yeah, you're so close, so close.
Max, that was nice. Max, what did the people? That was nice though, Max. You actually grabbed it.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the big one.
Oh, it's right there, right there. Nice, right there. Yeah, I know. The small one.
After this, let's go try the other spot.
Wait, he's coming back, he's coming back.
Well, as you guys saw,
These guys look like sharks.
it's going away from you, Max.
Yeah. We'll have to keep moving it. Imagine if we had a hunt, bro.
Yeah, bro. I wish I.
This is so hard.
Next time we're okay, guys. If this video can get 100 likes, we'll come back here.
That's not too much. Make it like 10.
50, 50, 50.
Okay, if this video gets 10 likes, we'll come back here with line, with the hand line, and try and catch one of these big guys here. We need like 40-pound line. These guys are huge.
Just grab the little ones.
Let's try another spot. We're gonna try another spot.
Yeah.
We out here at a new pond, and as you can see, you have some fish here, or fishermen, fisher birds. There's one over there, but I guess he flew away. Oh, there he is.
Hey!
They are beautiful creatures,
Oh, look, there's a trash bag in the ocean.
and we're gonna try and maybe catch some stuff. Here's Garrett going at it. Anything?
No, not yet.
All right. We'll get back to you guys if we get a few bites. Show us your skills.
Hell yeah. Ready? Oh,
Look how much fish is there.
Catch a milkfish.
yes, ma'am.
Honestly, just as much if I just eat this bread. Looking out baby bread.
It's like a day old. Hey. Yo, Connor.
Oh!
It's just bit my finger.
Connor, send me good fish ball. Dude, stop.
There's no milk fish.
Connor.
Oh, there they are.
What?
Okay.
Can you stop throwing it
Bro,
again,
can you throw it?
bro?
Can you stop throwing it?
It's not me. Guys, just stop doing dumb shit. Max, that's funny for me shit. You better Connor, fast. It's sushi time. I can cut the.
I'll check that. Oh my god, that was a pretty big one.
Dude, where are the milkfish?
I don't know. Milk fish for the.
Cut.
Hey guys, so we're going to the beach to show you this beautiful sunset, and
We'll see you there.
yeah. Well, guys, it's not the greatest sunset that we've had before, but at least it's something. Oh, like the sun's still up. It's like
Yeah, we'll just wait a bit.
what's the time? 5:22. So, what do you guys say, Max? Outro time.
We'll get back to you. Then I hope you leave a like and subscribe and comment what you want to do next, and enjoy this rest of the sunset with us.
Spot a little hottie when I flipped up the shade. Looking like a red rice sitting in the driveway. Bottle of Ciroc with her in a Kool-Aid. She done pulled up like I'm getting rid of waves. Are you tired from running through my mind? Take a break and we